The population can only be an asset.
Okay.
What's the population of China? What's the population of India? What's the population of America? Years back, they were telling us that we should do family planning, we should do family control. That's with large number of people who run into trouble. But we eventually see that in the last 20 years, nations with huge population that runs to billion like China, they were the ones that are becoming world power. Population is power. It does not protect anything for housing deficiency. Necessity is the mother of invention. Unfortunately, in Nigeria, it has been mother of frustration. The fact that you have people, that means you have market. People are never a problem. It depends on the way you organize the people. You organize the people to build the nation. And building the nation means that we have a large number of people who can demand whatever product you brought to the market.
Government
no government all over the world has ever been able to solve housing problem solely. The government has its role, individual has its role, the business world have their role, the non-governmental organization have their role. So the NGOs have their role, the faith-based organizations have their role. Everyone playing their role, government creating an enabling environment where the market can play the role. If government should try as much as possible to develop the mortgage industry, has their role. Sort out our land titling problem. That's government role. By the time you put basic infrastructure in place, the non-governmental organizations, faith-based organizations, individual, every one of them will go there and play their role. In Britain, for instance, the market provides for about 70% of the population. The government has tried as much as well to put that mortgage industry in place. As much as possible, encourage the private builders to build houses that you can go and buy. Those are rules of government. Then those who could not buy because of weaknesses, unemployment, because of sickness, physical challenges and all the rest, key workers like teachers, like police, like nurses, firefighters, who needed to live within the cities and could not afford the cost, government comes in to make provision for these ones. So government alone all over the world, there is no part of the world, no matter how developed you are. Then I disagree with him. Because within 4 years, Babajide Akonde built 66,000 houses in 16 estates, and it sold to civil servants at 4,000, 2,000. 3-bedroom flat, 2-bedroom flat. There were no cost houses. How? Cement were expensive then. All these toiletries were expensive at that time. But Baba established bulk purchasing company at Isolo, Maturi, whereby he imported these things en masse. That if you want to build, you go there. I bought WC, all of these things, they are 45 naira. And Babajide Akonde wanted to build, when he was federal minister, those who are selling cement in the country, producing and selling cement, the other he wanted to import cement. And he went to say, do you want to kill the local industry? We are selling cement and you want to build federal projects all over the country, you want to import? Say yes. I've asked, you are selling your cement for 30 naira. And I want to import at 100 naira. Are you selling to me at 100 naira? They said we can't sell. They all said, well, you can't sell, I'll import. From those who import, sell to me at 100 naira. They all went away. One by one, they started coming back. He said he bought 90 naira for some. And as at that time, they were selling 430 in the market. If you are government and you want to buy bulk, you can't be comparing your price with those who are retailing. So the fact that you have the capacity to bulk purchase, to bulk import, work with the manufacturers, give them money, let them produce for us en masse. Every one of us did economics, scale of production. The more you produce, price will reduce. Work with block industry, work with cement industry, work with tin industry. Be a co-owner of these industries. Let them produce for you. Why is Julius Berger producing? Why is he taking most projects? All you see Julius Berger use on road construction, almost 80% of them were produced by Julius Berger, including granite, including everything. We are doing the best, including the center. To train people, we have a center here for the first time in Nigeria. A center whereby we have approval to train people up to master's level. We do short courses. We've tried our best. You guys were at my inaugural, and I told them at my inaugural that the housing problem in Nigeria is beyond brick and mortar. We have to sit down. We have to look at what have we done, where can we do. All the houses at K2, how do we turn them to proper houses that can enter UN database as proper houses? All these are there. Not that when we want to build house, when we say that we want to increase the number of houses in Nigeria, what comes to us is that we want to acquire land, we want to build houses. No! The responsibility of any government in Nigeria in the next 20 years is to see how do we change the scape of Ilaja, Iwaya, Bariga, from Agbowa to Apapa, Oyibo. All these houses that were told to slum, how do we regenerate them to become proper houses? Those are preoccupation. Not that I want to be 480,000 houses in each street. For how many people? In a nation that is saying they have 19 and 17 million housing deficit. So we want to build 480. And when you look at the calculation, it's for about 4 years. For the first 2 years, we're looking for land. How can that be a solution? When Britain got into recession, about 4 or 5 years ago, so the Blair said, we will build Britain out of recession. When you want to start the economy of any nation, put money into construction. That's all. I call it Bobushi. It's when you put money into construction, you solve security issue, solve employment issue. The economy is busy. There will be prosperity in the land. 180 people will be involved in building a 3-bedroom bungalow. And those people, they are buying food. Those who are buying food, people are selling food, people are buying clothes. The whole nation will be busy.
Will be busy.
You don't solve unemployment problem through solid mineral. How many people work in solid mineral? If 500 houses is under construction in any locality, the youth are busy doing one thing or the other, like security.